So, use the toilet. You see it froze and push that pipe right out of its sweat. Straight out of its fitting. Listen. You see it? Right there. Knew it was a T. Guess what we gonna do? We gonna clean that boy up. And we gonna sweat him right back in. Why not? Let's go. Is that pretty or what? Come on now. What you mean? Nah, he didn't think I had the water on. I knew I had the water on. They just shut off all the shut-off valves in the house. You looking good.
Yeah, we have a bucket under there
What was in the
because
aerator?
yeah, we have a bucket under there because it leaks.
Well, you got no more leaks. No more leaks. So now you can get rid of the pan. You can start using it for cooking again.